You know it's going to be hot, at least through tomorrow, but what kind of cooling trend are we talking about for Sunday?
Well, Sunday temperatures are going to drop down into the mid-90s, which is where we're supposed to be this time of the year. And then it spikes up again on Monday before a nice cooling trend moves in on Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday.
Yay.
All right, you're going to see the numbers here in just a second. This is fascinating time-lapse video. You know, Redfish Lake, it's such a popular place for so many people here in the Treasure Valley to venture to, but the plume of smoke has really been an issue. It comes in and it goes out every single day. So for example, this morning, you see blue skies and sunshine. I'm going to advance the time-lapse. Sunny skies, a little bit of a haze in the sky because of the smoke from the Pioneer Fire, but look at that plume really kicking in with the afternoon winds that come in from the west. Now you're seeing that plume of smoke just driving up and over the top of the sawtooths, working its way into the region. So, you know, the air quality is just, it's moderate levels of pollution that we're seeing, but still it's an amazing sight to see that happen almost each and every afternoon. 98 degrees has been the high so far today. I think we're still going to be going up from there. 93 degrees is the average. It's this temperature reading that we're going to be going down to on Sunday. And then we should actually get cooler than this as we get into the middle of next week. But the record for this date is 104 degrees, set back in 1934. So on the Doppler radar, what we're seeing is bone dry conditions across the state, but look at this little patch of moisture we have down here to the south. That's associated with the flow, the monsoon moisture that's working its way up into the Great Basin. Because of the potential for some of that moisture to work its way into the south central mountains of Idaho and the southern mountains of Idaho, and out here around the mountains in Malheur County, the Weather Service has issued what's called a fire weather watch for the possibility of lightning strikes for tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Not expecting anything here in the Treasure Valley, but the Owyhees might see some. And if a storm does indeed pop up over the Owyhees, the air being so dry, any shower activity that does fall over the mountains could kick up some gusty winds that move into the Treasure Valley tomorrow afternoon. So there's a little better shot of it right there. So this monsoon, for the most part, is going to stay to the south of us. We know that the driving influence in the weather is this high pressure ridge that's down here to the south. It's keeping us hot, mostly sunny tomorrow. And then what happens is still on Sunday, the high pressure ridge begins to weaken and push down to the south just a little bit. And that's going to allow the transition to a bit cooler air that moves into the area on Sunday. And once that happens, that should start the process that's going to allow even cooler conditions by the middle of the week. So on the computer models, here's where the core of the monsoon is going to be tomorrow, right around portions of northeastern Nevada and into northern Utah. But on Sunday, it looks bone dry for us as we get a little bit more of a northwesterly flow. So 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley, 101 tomorrow, down to 93 degrees on Sunday. But it jumps back up to 98 on Monday. Why? Because there's a trough that's coming in. So it'll be the warm before the drier and cooler air comes in on Tuesday and Wednesday. But by Tuesday and Wednesday, we could see high temperatures getting cooler than normal and getting up to the upper 80s for daytime highs. That's going to feel like a significant change.
It may also feel a little cool. I mean, come on.
Not cool.
Upper 80s, low 90s
more
isn't
comfortable.
Cool, but
comfortable.
Yeah,
Yes.
more comfortable. That's the word I was looking for.
All right.
Good. Thank you, Roland.
You bet.